Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be unboxing and activating a physical Apple Card. So I got my Apple Card in the mail today, or actually through FedEx, and today I'm just going to show you what the process is like if you are activating the card. So it comes in this little envelope right here. Here is your card, and here's the little NFC to activate it. So all you have to do is grab your iPhone. Got my iPhone right here. I'm going to unlock the phone and put the iPhone up to the Apple Card, and you get this message right here. I've already activated mine. I had some issues with my SD card and it didn't save, so this is actually my second time recording this. But if you haven't already activated the card, it will have an activate button instead of OK. You click activate and the card is activated and ready to go, and that is all there is to it. Then you have your card right here. There is no number on the card. All that is within the app, so you don't have to worry about anybody getting your number off the card or anything like that. You just have your magnetic strip, Goldman Sachs, MasterCard, your name, and your chip right here for chip and pin, and that is your Apple Card. Very, very nice. Feels very good in the hand. Has a little bit of weight to it. Very nice card. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe down below, and have a great day.